Good morning, guys, and happy Saturday. I know it doesn't look like it, but I am so stressed out right now because the cleaning lady continues on canceling on me, and and I don't want to do it myself. I just don't want to do it. So I texted her back and I asked her if it was okay if she can come tomorrow, Sunday, which she really never does. But I'm kind of desperate. I mean, my house isn't trashed, but it does need a good deep cleaning, and that's what she kind of does. So she said, yeah, so she's going to be here tomorrow. Hopefully, I'm crossing my fingers, my toes, my tongue, my eyes, everything. I was like, please don't cancel on me again. So that's what's happening here. So today, Saturday, I am going to do just some light housework. I've been cleaning the rugs. I got this new, it's a Bissell rug cleaner, and I did the area rug on Thursday. There's still a couple of spots that I need to work on, and then I've been doing the upstairs as well. Upstairs we have all rug, and rugs just get dirty, and especially when you have children. So I've been doing that. I'm going to try to continue doing that today or tomorrow. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow while she's here, because today my daughter is coming over, and when she comes over, I just like to sit down with her and spend time with her, even though we work together. But it's just different because here we can relax and we can just talk about anything. So yeah, so that's the plan. I just put some toast in the toaster for myself. I am absolutely starving, so I'm going to go ahead and eat that, and then I'm going to tackle the kitchen. Dishes, as you guys already know, are in the sink in the other side, which dries. I'm going to empty out the dishwasher, put everything dirty inside the dishwasher. Yeah, you guys have seen my videos long enough. You all know the routine. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit, and if I don't, I will definitely see you tomorrow, Sunday. So here we have the toast. I am going to butter it and eat it because I am starving. I also wanted to show you guys, well, first of all, I want to go show you the Bissell, but I also want to show you guys this little, very tiny Costco overhaul that I did yesterday through Instacart. So I will show you that as soon as I eat this. I've already told you how starving I am, so I'm not going to say it again. So I am going to show you the before and after of this spot with my Bissell. Hang on. So this is what the Bissell looks like, and this is the Proheat 2X Revolution Pet Pro. And this is what it looks like. Here you put in the water with the solution, and then down here is where the dirty water goes. So let me clean that spot. Hang on. Well, that's not good. Let's move this. And there you have it, guys. This spot is gone. I'm gonna go do another spot now. So as you can see, the cord wraps up here for easy storage. And in the front, this this panel right here comes off. Just push these two in. Hold on, I gotta do it from the other side. Hold on. So you just push these in and it lifts right up for cleaning. As you can see, there's a lot of hair. Okay, so the camera cut me off. So as you can see, there's a lot of hair and dirt in here. We could just turn it over and rinse all of this out. I would do this outside because I wouldn't want any of my sinks to get clogged. Also, I think the reason I have so much hair, as you can see, it's black hair. So this is all Joey's hair. But you're supposed to vacuum first, and I did not. So I'm sure if you vacuum first, you will pick up less dirt and hair. So there you have it, guys. A demonstration of the Bissell Proheat 2X Revolution Pet Pro. Not a sponsorship. I just wanted to show you guys my new toy. Wait, one more thing. Let me show you how easy it is to clip this back on. Let me go on the other side. Voila, there you have it. Okay, so now I'm going to try this on this couch. It brings this upholstery attachment and a hose, as you can see, and then the hose goes connected in here. Let me see if I can do this. You lift this. Let's see if I can do this with one hand, and then you insert it. There we go. And now let's see. So this is what it looks like. It's a little bit wet, so that's why it's maybe a little bit darker. But I do see that it did lift up the stains. Here, I don't know if you guys can see here, there's a little bit of a stain still, so I may have to, and over here as well, and there's still some here. So it looks like I may have to go over this again, but overall it looks a lot cleaner. Over here there's still some stains. So yeah, so I'm going to go over this again, scrub a little harder and see if I can get rid of these stains that are left. But overall, I do like the product. I'm going to go show you now the area rug that I've also been working on. So hang on. So here is the area rug. There's some spots that I haven't done yet. I don't know if you guys can see, like right there. I haven't done that yet. But overall, again, I haven't gone over here either. But overall, I do believe that this is not too shabby. Over here, it did a really, really, really good job. We had some really bad stains here. And as you can see, it got rid of them. Maybe I have to go over a little bit more there. But yeah, overall, I am pretty happy with the outcome of this. Alrighty guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys!